Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I hope you all are doing well. I've got a 2015 Peak 389 factory built glider kit to show you today. Built with a 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed. Total miles are a little over 1 million miles, 400,000 on a complete overhaul with paperwork, 27,000 spent total on the engine job. I've gotten hot this morning, gonna do a full walk around, show you everything that you want to see as if you were standing here. Let's get started. Southern truck, no rust. Engine's clean. Got new steers. Body and paint's in excellent condition. For a 10-year-old truck, 1 million miles, it's about as nice as you're gonna find. Front end's really straight, grill surround, fenders. There's a couple little dings in the bumper there. Passenger side step right there. It's got a little bit of damage. Excellent drive tires as well. Brakes are in good shape, all aluminums, air slide fifth wheel. Platinum interior. Cabinets and fridge in the back. Nice gauge package as well. See the operating temps up there. Runs to the RPM smoothly. Oil pressure jumps up like it should. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.